Tesla stock has triggered an important bullish reversal structure today. Moreover, it is reacting after hitting a critical support level, and from a technical point of view, this move is just an attempt to reject a sharper correction to lower support levels. Also, people are worried as we have the Federal Reserve meeting tomorrow, and they fear that it might change everything. In their heads, after tomorrow, Tesla is gonna drop like this. It is going to hit the $100 again in one single bearish movement. Is that right? Well, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Stay with me because this video is going to be interesting. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart. On the daily chart, we see that Tesla is making a very important bullish reaction above a critical support level, which is this red line at $265. $265. This red line was a previous support level, a previous bottom level on Tesla stock, and right now we are reacting. We are trying very hard to react above this support level over here. It is, and this is very important because since this key point was a previous bottom level on Tesla, it is important to see Tesla reacting above this key point because it is going to maintain the bullish bias. A bull trend is made of higher highs, higher lows, right? Recently, we did a new high. Great. However, if we lost the previous low over here, the bull trend would be compromised. I'm not saying it would officially reverse because we have yet to see lower highs, lower lows, right? But by losing the previous support level, even considering that we just made a new higher high over here, that would be particularly frustrating. The bull trend would be at risk in this scenario, and seeing Tesla making such an important bullish reaction above the previous support level is indeed a bullish signal, a good bullish signal. What's more, yesterday's reaction has a name, right? This candlestick pattern over here is called bullish, engulfing candlestick pattern. Because, well, the name is quite intuitive, right? The bullish candlestick over here is literally engulfing the smaller bearish candlestick, right? So, bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, which according to Bukowski's studies, it does act as a bullish reversal structure 63% of the time, which is, to me at least, is a reliable number. So I do like bullish engulfings, especially when they appear around a crystal clear support level. Therefore, this is why I'm telling you guys, Tesla right now, it is turning bullish. It feels like we just made a bottom signal over here. Now, of course, this is not my opinion. Some people, can you believe that some people blame me for Tesla's movements? I mean, Tesla crashed over here, and I told you guys, Tesla is crashing, right? Some people were saying that I was bearish, which is totally crazy. I am absolutely nothing. I am just following the charts over here. I am describing right now that we made a technical bottom signal. We found a support level and we are making a bullish reaction. Today, we triggered yesterday's bullish engulfing pattern because we broke yesterday's high. That's the trigger point of a candlestick pattern. This is it. Period. There is nothing else to argue. Could this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern goes wrong? Of course, as I told you guys, according to Bukowski's studies, it does act as a bullish reversal 63% of the time. Not 100% of the time. Nothing here is guaranteed. That's why we should always work with risk management. Now, what could potentially frustrate this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern if Tesla loses this engulfing's low over here? Meaning, if we drop below $254.12. Yesterday's low. If we lose yesterday's low, then Tesla is going to officially frustrate this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and probably it is going to seek the next technical support level at $240 again. Very simple situation. Now, before we analyze the indices, are you already my subscriber? Consider subscribing because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla and on the indices. So come on, subscribe, click on the like button to support me. Thank you very much for your audience. Now, let's continue our study looking at the S&P over here. The S&P, this index over here is extremely bullish right now because honestly, I thought we could correct. We had a very high chance of correcting because last week we did this candlestick pattern over here, composed of 3 candles called Evening Star Doji candlestick pattern. Of course, this candlestick pattern wasn't triggered because the S&P failed in losing this candle's low over here at 45.27. So therefore, this evening star wasn't triggered. Therefore, we avoided a sharper correction. And right now, today, we are rejecting this bearish candlestick structure over here because we are breaking last week's high. So the S&P is still extremely bullish. The Nasdaq index did a sharper correction, right? Unlike the S&P, which it feels like it is making a sideways correction. The Nasdaq index actually corrected. Tech stocks crashed over here last week. So it is not Tesla's fault. Some people were over concerned regarding Tesla, right? Oh my God, it is crashing, guys. The Nasdaq index is crashing. This is not Tesla's issue over here. Tech stocks crashed last week and we tried to retest the 21 exponential moving average over here, but right now we are already reacting. We are breaking yesterday's high as well. So it feels like the Nasdaq index, the S&P, the broad market is still extremely bullish. The Dow Jones index, I am not gonna even talk about it because this one is just too crazy right now. It is just too bullish. So tech stocks crashed. Tesla crashed as well. Now we are reacting along with the indices. The S&P is rejecting its top signal, its evening star. The Nasdaq index is also reacting above its support level at the 21 EMA. Tesla stock is also reacting around a support level. I already told you guys what could possibly go wrong, but what if Tesla actually keeps going up? What are the next technical targets? Well, honestly, let's erase these lines over here because they're not going to help us at all. Honestly, I think Tesla has decent chances of retesting the $300 area. Of course, technically speaking, we didn't hit the $300 last week, but if Tesla continues trading above the 265, above the 21 EMA on the daily chart, it has decent chances of reaching the $300 again. Of course, if it loses this bullish engulfing low, alright, it is going to probably frustrate this entire bullish thesis over here. Probably the entire stock market, it is going to drop as well. Possibly the Nasdaq index would retest its 21 EMA on the daily chart. The same for the S&P over here. In this scenario, it is quite easy to see Tesla retesting the $240 again, which is another critical support level. As we can see over here, it is very close to the 50-period moving average on the daily chart. We just did a golden cross pattern over here, so it is a bull market, alright? Again, not my opinion. It is not Nathan who's bullish. Tesla is bullish right now. It is in a bull market right now. If we trigger a sharper correction to the 240, to the 50-period moving average, in my humble opinion, that would be just a buying opportunity because the trend, overall speaking over here, is still bullish. Oh, and by the way, for more insights on Tesla and on other stocks, follow me on Instagram, Nathan Black, the Finance Hydra. This is me. I'm always answering your questions. Every Monday, I open a question box on my stories and you guys can ask me anything. So if you have any question, if you want me to analyze any stock, just follow me over there, alright? Again, at the Finance Hydra, this is me. I appreciate your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.